say Happy 4th of July to everybody. And if you are doing fireworks, you must be careful. And look, my teeth. I got 2 front teeth. And I can't wait for the new ones to grow back. So let's step into it. So first, my mom caramelized some white sugar to put at the bottom of the pan. Flan. So first we're going to cook this in a water bath. A water bath means we're going to put hot water in here to make the flan. My mom put the grease at 350. Now it's time to get mixing. It's super easy. You just got to put everything in the blender and blend it up and mix it up. So this is what we need, a blender. 2 cans of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We have eggs here, 6 eggs. So we have 2 teaspoons of almond essence, and it smells so good. You can use any type of flavor you want of essence. So we're going to use a half a teaspoon of grated nut. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of custard powder. It's optional. You don't need to add it. We add it because it makes the flan creamy. Yes.
Yes.
Looks like, guys. So now my mom is putting the flan in the oven. So we're gonna bake the flan for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
This is how we cut the flan. If it's clean, that means it's done. If it's not clean, it still needs to cook.
A few minutes later.
This is what it looks like. I'm gonna check it out. See if it's good. Looks good. So now we're gonna let the flan cool. Then we're gonna turn it upside down and let it serve. Hi guys, right now I'm at my auntie's house. Now my mom is gonna cut the sides of the flan and turn it over. And we're gonna taste it. Here my mom goes. Just gonna cut it. Be careful with knives. Knives are not for kids. Be careful grown-ups if you're watching this.